Lokruok koroni to keti e dulo nogo man mochung' ne gayo nengo mar modhi e pacho kaendi mano Energy Petroleum Regulatory Authority Epra, kama Laktar Joseph Okech ema koro oketi kaka jata chenro e yor kojolo e dulo nogo mano mar Epra. Maendi biro mana bang' kane osendhi jodito moko adek chieng' manyoro kendo ne gichuo gi gwenya kata kotenore koda weche giko mag nono mibadhi ma okwako dulo nogo motenore koda omo mauta e pinje maoko.
The board yesterday afternoon received the resignation of the Director General, Mr. Daniel Kiptoo Bargoria's resignation notice. The board thanks the former Director General for the dedicated service to the authority and wishes him well in his future endeavors. Being cognizant of and in appreciation of the crucial and strategic role and functions of authority, Epra board appointed Dr. Engineer Joseph Okech as the Acting Director General of Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority. Dr. Engineer Joseph Okech currently heads the Electricity and Renewable Energy Directorate and is responsible for overseeing formulation, review and monitoring of regulations, standards and codes for electrical and renewable energy subsector in Kenya. He has over 25 years experience in the energy sector. Prior to joining Epra 10 years ago, he had served in senior position in Kenya Power and Rural Electrification Authority, REA, then called REA. Dr. Engineer Joseph Okech holds Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Engineering from University of Nairobi, a master's degree and a postgraduate diploma in project planning and management from University of Nairobi, and a PhD from Kenyatta University in strategic management. He is a member of the Institute of Engineers of Kenya, the Kenya Institute of Management, and is registered professional engineer with the Engineers Board of Kenya, EBK.